Hi, welcome to another Derek Does. Today, we're gonna do this. Hi, welcome back to another Derek Does. I'm Derek, and thanks for joining me. If you're new here, please subscribe, and after you watch, kind of leave a comment if you want to, or a question. I'll be happy to answer it if I know the answer. And check out my other videos of other cool vintage stuff that I've been doing over the past couple years. Today, I've got something that I kind of need your help with. I have a vintage jacket that I've picked up years ago I think it was a thrift store, that just fit me perfectly. And so I've kept it, but the tag was missing on it. And what I know of it, I'm almost positive it's U.S. military issued. It's pre-World War II. I think it's from the mid-30s, basing it on the zipper. So I'm going to show you this jacket. I don't know if it's an early part of the Air Corps or if it's actually just a plain Army jacket. But I'm going to show it to you, and maybe maybe you've seen this jacket, or maybe you have one, and you can tell me what the tag is, because the tag's missing, and so I've never known what this jacket is, and I've asked a lot of people on different forums and things like that what this jacket is, but this is the jacket. So I'll put it on the hanger, and I'll show you all the details of it, and then you can kind of see what I'm showing you, what maybe you know. But I'll also put it on and show you how it looks worn. I love the jacket. It's unusual. I've never seen another one. Otherwise, I would know what it is, but I've never seen another one of these. So if you have seen one of these, let me know. I'm just really curious about this jacket. So without further ado, I will put this on and I'll show you what it looks like being worn around. All right, so here is the jacket. You can see it's quite unusual, as I've never seen another one like this. It's got some really interesting features that probably will help date it if you know. It does have a couple of moth nips here, and there's one on the back I know of, but I'm fine with that. It has these pretty large pockets here in the front. You can see they're pretty big, and they have kind of almost like I don't know, they're not square. They come out, and then they're scalloped, and as you can see, they have the U.S. military buttons on them. And then here is the zipper. It's a fantail talon with the deco there, and you can see it's a all metal on both sides. And I think this dates it to like 35, in that range. Again, I'm not positive. It has a really shallow collar on it. It's not pointed at all. And then it also has behind it, you've got a button and you've got a strap. So it must have been made originally to be worn underneath something because of the short collar, I'm thinking. So you would have something else on it. It does have epaulets on the top with the military, and on the cuff you can see it is just one button, so it's more for decorative, unless one's missing. I don't think one is. It only has one button on each side, so it's more for decorative on that. And then on the back, you can see it's one solid piece, but it does have a little bit of a bellow there for some give, and it's got a bi-swing up here. So it does have plenty of give, so it's made for being moved and movement. And then you also have these both side adjusters here. It's very unusual. I don't know. Okay, then on the inside, this is where the tag was. You can actually see where it was sewn, but I think it might have only been sewn tacked in 4 places. You have a little loop here, everything is wonderfully French seamed, as you can see there. And then they even have this smooth kind of a rayon lining for the bottom so it doesn't wear away from your movement as you were walking or moving or sitting or whatever it is. It has that. It's a nice thick wool, not super thin, not super thick, but nice. It's, you know, this is the jacket, and as you can see, it's unusual. So there you go. It's an awesome jacket. I love this jacket. I loved it the first day I saw it on the rack. I've worn this many times, even wore it to Inspiration once, and nobody really knows what it was. So if you know what this jacket is, or you think you know what it is, let me know. I just have always wondered what this jacket is, and there is no record of anything that I found of anyone wearing this anywhere. So anyway, obviously this isn't a one-off. Maybe it is a prototype. I don't know. It's just missing the tag. If I could find a picture of a tag, then I would know what it is, and all would be well. So hopefully you know, or you know somebody, or you've seen something, or maybe later you'll see something and you can come back to this video and you can let me know what this jacket is. So let me know, and I'll see you on the next Derek Does. Thanks for your help.